Cleaning trends for 2022. Cleaning product manufacturer and distributor Robert Scott has revealed the findings of its latest customer research, identifying the key trends that will dominate the cleaning and hygiene sector in 2022. One of those key trends is green cleaning. 3 key areas that businesses believe to be of the greatest importance to green cleaning are reducing plastic waste, using products made from recycled materials, and implementing more reusable products into cleaning regimes. The research also found that supply chain disruption had a much greater impact on businesses than COVID-19 during 2021. With 60% of businesses admitting that supply chain issues had the biggest impact, while only a third stated that COVID-19 had. Sales Director Alistair Scott said that almost half of customers stated that the effectiveness of products was also one of the most critical elements of cleaning sustainably. He commented, "This is an important distinction to make as we head into 2022. Businesses need to closely evaluate their supply chains and any products or systems they're looking to introduce with the goal of becoming more sustainable. Prioritizing procurement of multi-use products or those made from recyclable materials will help to reduce a business's overall environmental impact. However, efficacy of a product must be tested against the cleaning task requirements to ensure it still delivers optimal hygiene performance. Otherwise, it will become additional waste going into landfill unnecessarily." In the age of COVID-19, robust infection control measures are now part of daily cleaning regimes and have undoubtedly helped to reduce transmission in both commercial and domestic environments. When considering the visibility and frequency of cleaning, 1 in 5 businesses, 20%, believe this will be the biggest trend for the cleaning industry in 2022. For more stories on the cleaning sector, visit our cleaning, hygiene and washroom category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.